There's often a lot of confusion between the difference of antifreeze and coolant, so we put together a quick video to help you out. Coolant helps keep your engine cool. It runs through the system, absorbing the heat and allowing it to dissipate into the air. Whereas antifreeze decreases the freezing point of the coolant. Now this means that in those colder temperatures, your coolant's not going to be freezing in your engine. Coolant is actually made up of antifreeze and water, often at a 50-50 split. The antifreeze helps prevent the water from freezing at temperatures as low as -30 degrees and prevents it from boiling at up to 200 degrees. There's a few things you need to check before buying your coolant. Firstly, check the type of coolant your car needs. There are 3 main types: inorganic acid formula, organic acid technology, and hybrid organic acid technology. You can find this in your manual or even online. Similar to screen wash, you can buy it in concentrated or diluted, so make sure to double check. So there we have it. Now you know the difference between coolant and antifreeze. Not as confusing as you thought.